Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. You have done the right decision in your life by coming into Fibocan's YouTube channel. Who is Fibocan? Fibocan is a wealth enabler. How do we enable wealth? We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling students, investors to devise their own investment strategies through our comprehensive training programs and innovative investment strategies. So what do? We have published educational videos 1 to 16, module 1 to 16 in English and Tamil. The modules that start from basics of banking, capital market, investments, how to do investment, technical analysis, options, futures, then strategies of options and futures, and finally income tax on derivatives. To begin with, all these 16 modules are available both in English and Tamil. I would request you to go and select the appropriate playlist and watch all the videos and put your comments. So that is the step one. Every day we put videos about market commentaries. Please understand that we are not SEBI registered. Hence, we cannot give any recommendations. We will say whether it is looking good, technically sound, technically weak, has to be cautious. These kind of things we will give, but we will not give any price targets, or we will not give any stock recommendations. Only thing is that we are here to give technical education, imparting technical knowledge to anyone and everyone through our free educational videos, which we put every day on the daily markets, and during weekends we put about global markets. So I would request and encourage anyone in the age group of 17, 18, those who are studying in HSC, higher secondary or plus 2, to watch module 1 to 4, definitely either in English or Tamil, whichever language you understand out of these two languages. And anybody who is doing BA, BCom should watch up to module 8. And those who are doing MBA, CA, CFA or any professional or postgraduates should watch module up to module 15. And for professional traders, it is ideally suited for them to watch module 16. I am sure that you will enjoy watching and enhancing your knowledge. Thank you very much. Today is June 5, 2024, Wednesday, option expiry for BankNifty. The last 2 days we didn't put our video. Reason was due to we were also following closely watching the results and other things. Okay, that's why we couldn't put. So as you know, the election results are out now, and in all likelihood the Honorable PM is going to continue for the third term. Okay, that's continuity in the market. But still, yesterday because the results were being announced and BJP was falling short of majority, market obviously it started falling down, which is why I have been telling for quite some time that during this 1 week it is better if you are a trader to avoid and stay away from the market, because after all, what is important, protecting your capital is more important than making a small profit. See, there are two things. One is that you have to these are all, the outcome is not known, right? The event is known, the outcome is not known. This is a known unknown. So known, the event is known, the outcome is not known. Hence, now if somebody wants to play, they are giving their destiny or luck to somebody else, meaning to God. So always a good trader will have her or his destiny at one's hands, right? Should not give it to somebody else. Meaning, here I am not saying about the political outcome, we don't know, right? So that's what had happened. Everybody expected a safe victory for BJP, but ultimately they are short by 30 points or 30 seats or so, but whatever, still they are forming the government as an NDA. That's a different story. Okay, that's politics. Okay, but still the government is forming. The short-term uncertainty created such a havoc in the market. Yesterday, as you all know, market fell by 7 to 8%. At some stage, it was even down by 8.5%. But thereafter, it recovered. Today, what happened? Market. When I say market, it is the indices. I'm saying most of the individual stocks also. Nifty, BankNifty, and Nifty. What it did, first the levels, then we go into the discussion. Nifty closed at 21,682.60. It formed a bullish harami candle. The lower leg touched the Bollinger lower band. Yesterday, the lower leg went below the Bollinger lower band, and then it made close above the band. So definitely one can consider it as a good reversal. Nifty today, it jumped up by 4.1%, 5%. Yesterday it was around 7.5% down. So Nifty, the BankNifty, the same story. Today, BankNifty closed at 49,054.60. 4.53% up. Yesterday around 7.5% down. Nifty Today it closed at 22,630.35, 3.36% up. Yesterday around 7% down. So basically, all formed more or less the same candle, which is a bullish harami candle. And for all these three indices, the lower leg for yesterday it formed a very big red candle. The lower leg went below the Bollinger lower band. Today the lower leg touched the Bollinger lower band and then it formed a reversal. So definitely it's a first reversal, confirmed reversal, a good reversal. So however, whether one can say it is going to continue its up move and move up very strongly, not sure. It depends on the certainty of the political outcome that is going to happen, how quickly BJP is able to form the government, because it's the current government. In all likelihood they are going to form the government. That's what I am giving only the news. I don't belong to any party, right? Anybody can form the government, either BJP or Congress, but in all likelihood it is BJP that is going to form the government. Hence the continuity is always something which market likes. If one recollects in 2009 when Dr. Manmohan Singh came for the second term, market jumped up, it was freeze on the upward side twice, not once. 20% upper freeze and market closed the trading for that day. So one can understand that market loves continuity. It's not that like market hates Congress or market loves only one party. Market, as far as market is concerned, any policy that is in continuation, which is good. That's what is happening. With that, what had happened? So overall Nifty and Bank Nifty, it has at least half of the fall that it has recovered, but still it is well below, because what happened, it managed to close above the 50-day simple moving average and exponential moving average, and also it is now below the Bollinger, above the Bollinger middle band. But that doesn't mean that it is going to run away, which I have been telling. Even if BJP comes back to power, I was always maintaining my view that you don't expect a runaway rally, because it has run up too much. Hence, the reality is going to kick in, which is reflecting in the technical charts. Okay, what is the reality? Reality of the profits, the earnings, that is going to determine how well the market is able to position to move. Hence, there are other uncertainties, global uncertainties there. So hence hopefully in the next 2 days, either by tomorrow or day after tomorrow, we should have some clarity as far as the political event is concerned. Then we can have a sigh of relief, because it will become a non-event as far as market is concerned, and it is just continuity, BAU, business as usual. So the government will do what they want, opposition parties will do what they want, and they will do their work, and we can do a focus on our work on markets, performance, technical and other factors, right? So with that, let's go into the discussion part of it. Bank Nifty and Nifty, as I said, on the banks, everything went up today. SBI jumped up by 2%, ICICI Bank by 3%, Axis Bank, Canara Bank, Bank of Baroda, PNB, HDFC Bank, Kotak, all jumped up by 3%, Yes Bank by 4%. Yesterday everything fell. Today everything has gone up. That's all. AU Bank, CU Bank, IOB, all the IDFC all jumped up by 6%. Bandhan Bank and Federal Bank by 7%. IndusInd Bank had a massive move of 8%. Nearly 100 points move we saw in IndusInd Bank. On the financials, Bajaj Finance, Finserv 3% up, Jio Finance 4% up, Bajaj Finance, Chola, L&T Finance, Manappuram, Shriram 3% up, Canfin Homes, IDFC, M&M, Muthoot all 6% up, LIC Housing Finance 8% up. Insurance, HDFC Life, ICICI Pru, SBI Cards 3% up, SBI Life 4% up, ICICI General 6% up, LIC moved up by 1%. On the oil and telecom, Bharati 2% up, Reliance 3% up. So obviously everything has to go up. Everything has gone up. Unfortunately, yesterday we didn't put our video. Everything went down, because we were deeply involved in seeing the television, the results, outcomes, the discussions, and I am also a human being, right? I was also curious to know who is going to form the government, what is going to happen. Hence, we were purely focusing more than the market, because these are all once in a 5 years event, right? On the IT, LTIM, TCS 1% up, Apple, Techem, Intellect, Infi 2% up, Cofor, HCL Tech, Wipro 3% up, Emphasis 4% up, Birlasoft and LTTS 5% up. On the consumer goods, Titan 2% up, Pidilite, Nestle, Britannia 3% up, PVR, ITC, Asian Paints, Berger, Hindustan Lever 4% up, Coalpal Page 3% up, 5% up, sorry. Bata 6% up, DMart 7% up, Trent 8% up, ABFRL 15% up. In the automobiles, Eicher Motor 3% up, 2% up, Maruti, Tata Motors, Escorts 3% up, Bajaj Auto, Bharat 4% up, MRF 5% up, TVS Motors, MNM, Hero Motors 6% up, Motherson 7% up, Ashok Leyland, Mazu move of 8%. Metals, NMDC 3% up, Coal India, JSW, MGL 4% up, Jindal, Vedanta 5% up, Tata LC 6% up, Hindalco 7% up, SAIL 9% up, National Aluminium 11% up. Health and Pharma, Apollo Hospital, Dr. Reddy, Cipla 2% up, Thyrocare 3% up, Divi's and Sun Pharma 4% up, Lalpath Metropolis 5% up. In the others category, Havells, Ultratech 1% up, Delta Corp 2% up, Apollo, APL Apollo, Godrej Properties, Indigo Paints 3% up, DLF and Nykaa 4% up, India Mart, Polycab, Z 5% up, Adani Enterprise, UPL, Jubilant Food 6% up, Zomato and Indigo 7% up, Adani Ports 8% up, MCX 9% up. So you can see that no, everything went up. In fact, Adani Group yesterday fell by nearly 14% or so. Today it recovered most of it. So, but still, overall, if you see, in spite of such a massive move today, all the banking financials and most of the stocks, barring some, even including the IT stocks, most of the stocks are well below the 2024 close. So that means no, in 6 months nothing much has happened. Hence no, the results and the reduction of the interest rate reduction cycle when it is starting in the US and the interest rate movement in India also going to determine the next move, and of course the results, quarterly results is going to come by first week of July. Thank you very much.